Plank are one of the most common moves you'll find in any abdominal workout, and for good reason. Basic exercises hone your core ability to hold one of the form and function of muscle group. One of the important things about holding a continuous plank for more than 30 seconds is that your body begins to enter into compensatory pattern. By concentrating on the shoulder girdle in particular, as well as your lower limbs and, in particular, your hip flexor, to try and keep you awake for a long time. They are substitute planks for better core exercise. Shoulder taps with a plank. 3-4 sets of 40-second asset V and 20-second. This move introduce anti-rotation, one of your function right away. 1. Plank with shoulder taps. 3-4 sets of 40-second active and 20-second. This move introduces anti-rotation, one of your core function away. You'll also improve your shoulder stability. Try to keep your shoulders in line as you do the reps. 2. Plank with longer lever. 3-4 sets of 30 seconds active and 30 seconds. Spread your arms above your head to add some anti-extension to your workout. Forward as you progress. 3. Ab launch. 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. For this variation, take a wheel and bolster.